Welcome back, guys. Today is the day before Thanksgiving and I am off work. But I couldn't let this day go by without being outside, at least for a little while. We are under a wind advisory and it is crazy. We're having like 40, 50 mile an hour wind gusts and it is cold. But I don't care. One of my favorite things is ice cold wind on my face. So I don't see any other cars around. I haven't seen any other people. So I'm going to enjoy this hike. And I'm taking you guys with me. Oh, I see the river. Let's check it out. Looks like a house or something over there. I don't think I can get down there. Okay, I was walking this shoreline at the river looking for places where I can shoot some underwater video. And I gotta show you this ancestor that I found over here. Check this out, you guys. Look at her. guys hear that wind? All right, guys, I think this is a good place to end this video. I just wanted to get out for a little while and enjoy this solitude. Nobody's out here today. It's just me, and I'm quite enjoying it. But now I have to go home and start cooking for tomorrow. I'm surprising my mom with dinner. She doesn't know it, so don't tell her. So I'm gonna head back to my truck and enjoy the rest of the day. By the time you guys see this, it's gonna be past Thanksgiving. So I hope you all had an amazing holiday. I hope you all find joy in this day. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.